welcome back. Today's tutorial is this Dutch braid and low bun combo. I actually posted a picture of this hairstyle on Instagram about a year ago and never filmed a tutorial even though I promised that I would. So here it is today. I really hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and let's get started. For this hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair on the right side and then divide out a section of hair to frame my face. Then I'm going to pick up a triangle-shaped section on the heavy side of the part and divide it into 3 pieces for the braid. I'm going to first cross the right strand under the middle and then the left strand under the middle. Then I'm going to cross the right strand under the middle, pick up a new section of hair and cross it under and into the middle strand. Then I'm crossing the left strand under the middle, picking up a new section of hair and crossing it under and into the middle strand. And I'm just going to repeat those steps, crossing the side strands under the middle strand while bringing in new sections of hair from along the part line and along the left side of my head. Once I've brought in all of the hair from along the part line, then I'm going to start bringing in sections from the right side of my head and continue braiding the hair in a diagonal down towards the nape of my neck. Once I've brought in all of the hair from the sides of my head and the braid reaches down towards the nape of my neck, I'm just going to continue the braid a little further down and then slide 2 bobby pins over the end so it doesn't unravel. Now I'm going to go back over the braid, pulling on the edges to make it wider and more full. And then I'm going to combine all of the hair together, wrap it once with a hairband, remove the bobby pins from the ends of the braid, and then wrap it twice more, only pulling the hair halfway through on the last loop. Now I'm going to take a few sections of the bun and pin them up against my head with bobby pins. And then I'm going to take the ends that are left sticking out and divide them into 2 sections. With the right section, I'm going to twist it together, pull on the edges to make the twist a little bit bigger, and then wrap it over the hairband, pinning it on the left side of the bun. Then I'm going to take the ends on the left side, twist them together, pull on the twist to make it a little bit bigger, and then wrap the hair over the bun, pinning it on the right side. So that's the end of today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You can click my little picture right up here to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to click the thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I always love to hear what you think of every hairstyle. So thank you so very much for watching and I will see you next time.